How to build reports in HubSpot. So first, go to your homepage here. Next is just click on the reporting section here at the left side. Now click on dashboards. Okay, next is what you want to do is just click on create dashboard. Okay, now just choose any of the templates here. So let's say I want to use this accounts receivable template here. Click on it. Just click on next. Then click on create dashboard. Now click on go to your dashboard here. Okay, so as you can see, now this is my dashboard here. You can see all of the reports here in this dashboard. The invoices paid on time, balance due, open invoices, past due. So as you can see, mine has no data since I don't have any customers or deals or leads here. But as you can see, now you're done. You already have your reports here. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.